Hi everyone, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I wanted to play around with some pastel type colors tonight. So I am using color I don't know if I've ever used before, but it's Quinacridone Rose Light. And I'm gonna throw in some purple and some light blue as well. I really want to go with contrast. So I'm actually adding in black as well. I'm gonna be doing it on 3 canvases. I cannot wait to get started on this one. Let's paint. So I had this in my head. I wanted to do a pink, a purple, and a blue. I thought maybe about doing dark colors, but the issue when I'm using the Amsterdam paints that I buy, they're not opaque, and so it's a little bit more difficult to actually cover the canvas. I normally mix in a little bit of an opaque color with it. They're like the phthalo blue that I use, the blue violet, they're all either semi-transparent or transparent, which makes it, they react a little bit differently. So what I decided to do was do the lighter version of all the colors. So this is a Quinacridone Rose Light. It's gorgeous. And this is an ultramarine violet light, and then a king's blue. So all of these are opaque. And then I wanted to darken it back up. So I'm using black, and then the blue violet, the magenta, and the phthalo blue. And I'm using a little bit of white, and I haven't decided yet. I have some gold left over. I may or may not use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started here. Don't forget, if you guys want to check it out, we have our course that we have done, me, Rinska Dauna, and Olga Sobi. So you can check that out in the description. If you have any color ideas, just let me know for the next video, or if you want know anything you want me to try out for you, experiment with. Okay, so I think this is enough. I'm gonna blow these out, and then I think instead of going straight across like I did in the last few, I think I'm gonna go back to the old school where I go up like that, and I'll blow down a little bit here both ways and then up a little bit there. I don't know, we'll see. I'm blowing on low or cool on my blow dryer. People ask, how do you not spray it everywhere? Well, I'm not blowing on high. I have blown on high. It does spray everywhere. Like, no joke. This is really, really pretty. Oh my gosh. These colors. Wow. Okay, that's it. I'm not gonna put anything on them. Okay, so now I wanna think, so I think I'm gonna start right here and just go up like that. So, I guess I'll just go for it. I think I'm gonna go with the magenta. That. I will go with this purple next. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I'm kind of scared to add this black in. I have to try. I know on the pink it's going to be stunning. I just don't want it to get too dark on these. But I think the white now I'm gonna come in with the blue. Sometimes I don't know what I'm doing until I talk it out with you. Then the white. I think maybe a little bit more purple, and then the gold, because the gold I think will really go nicely with the purple. That was kind of, ooh, that was a lot of gold. Oh no, oh no. Okay. I felt like it was a lot of each color, but people ask about this torch and why I use it, and it's to pop the air bubbles. Most of you know that by now, but some people new may not. But if you don't, you will get tiny, tiny pinholes. And those tiny, tiny pinholes will show the canvas through sometimes, or it'll look almost like it's indented. So the way to kind of not have that happen is to, 1, torch, or 2, when you mix your paints, let them sit for a little while so that the air bubbles pop. That could take a while sometimes. So if you want, you can also just mix in part of your pouring medium at a time so that you don't get all those air bubbles. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow this out. Wish me luck. This is so different. Now, I was right. I did put a lot of gold in here, but I'm kind of okay with it. This is very, very different. I think this is my favorite one, but I really like I like all of them. And I think, again, okay, I say I'm not gonna blow. I'm gonna blow right here. I don't like this part right there. So if you don't like a little part, all you do is just right here, scrape that off, and pour some more right here. Make sure you get your sides. I love it. Let me show you. I love it. Why do I like it so much? I don't know. The black is just perfect against the lighter background. This one is so pretty. Okay, they say, like everybody tells me to go slow, so I'm just gonna go very slow. You have got to be kidding me. This is amazing. Wow. I'm glad I fixed that little corner up there too. This is stunning. I love it. All right, I'll show you the dried result. I love these colors. That quinacridone rose light, I mean, the matte opaque colors, they cover the canvas just so well. I'm glad that I decided to use these. Look at that part right there. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm really glad I decided to use these instead of the transparent or semi-transparent ones that I had picked out. Look at that pink. I just can't get over it. And honestly, I love the black. I think the contrast is just amazing. And I like that it's kind of just a little bit flowing that way. I mean, just, I really like this one. So beautiful. I'll give you the view from this side. What? Love it. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Happy painting.